Hi viewers, this is Max from Speak-Spark Easy English. If you want to speak English fast and confidently, this video is definitely for you. Okay? But every time if you try to speak, you stop, you think too much, and words don't come out properly. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you simple methods to improve your English speaking fast. First, stop being afraid of mistakes. Nobody speaks perfect English in this beginning. Even native speakers make mistakes. The more you speak, the better you become. Second, start thinking in English. Don't translate every sentence from Urdu into English. For example, when you see water, say in your mind, I need water. When you wake up, say, I'm getting ready for my day. This habit trains your brain to use English naturally. Third, speak every single day. Practice is the real secret. Even if you speak for 5 minutes daily, your confidence will grow. Speak in front of a mirror, record your voice, listen and improve. Fourth, learn small daily sentences instead of difficult grammar rules. Use sentences like, how are you? What are you doing? I understand. I don't know. These common sentences make conversation easier. Fifth, improve your listening. Watch English videos, movies, and interviews. Listen to carefully to pronounce and speak better English. Repeat the sentences loudly like the speaker. Sixth, build your vocabulary step by step. Learn 5 new words every day and use them in sentences. Small progress every day creates big success. And finally, stay confident. Confidence is more important than perfect grammar. Speak slowly at first, then speed will come automatically. Remember, fluent English is not a magic, it's a skill, and every skill improves with practice. So, remember 3 words: practice, practice, and practice. Start today, speak today, improve today, and one day you'll speak English confidently, fluently, and without fear. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning videos. Bye for now. Bye bye.